YouTubers from all over India to send in their entries. I actually sent in whack and I won! So 30 YouTubers have come together where we're undergoing this 1 week, really 5 days, really intensive course on how to up the game when it comes to your videos. So I'm going to make you meet some very interesting YouTubers that our country has to offer. Let's pick their brains and let's have a little bit of fun. So when you started Shitty Ideas Trending like a year back, what advice now would you give yourself as a YouTuber that is starting out?
Maybe invest a little more. Because I know that I pulled it off, so I could have invested more.
Don't think too much. Especially with YouTube channel, you just go with your impulse. You go with your passion, your first instinct.
Be more wise in our investments, creative investments.
Plan everything out, prepare yourself, learn how to talk, face the camera.
Go and create a Instagram page and a Facebook page.
Okay.
That's how you can build your audience first.
Ask people to subscribe. Tell them, like, you have to force them every video, come up with a new thought, new concept, how to ask them to subscribe.
You've heard this time and over again, and everybody will come and say the same thing, but it is true in pure essence of every word, is that do something that comes from a place of passion.
Not to shoot too many videos at the same time. Keep the quality maintained.
Do what your heart says. There'll be trends outside, there'll be people making video on a particular topic and you try to fit in that race. Don't do that.
I would have first of all motivated myself by knowing the fact that I'm not going to earn of this for like 3 years or maybe 4 years or maybe 5 years or maybe not.
It's a long game.
Yeah, it depends. If you're shit, you won't earn forever.
So I haven't been able to vlog every single day because it's been really crazy over here. We get in really early in the morning and we're back home only at like 9:30, 10 we leave from here. But what I have done is that I've put together some keywords. So I'll give you like a summary of every 2 days with those words. Let's check this out. Topical, valuable, relatable. Characterize, conflictize, collaborate, create, come together right now. Converse, personalize, multiple formats, targetize, identify, maximize. Hit me baby one more time. What are your favorite YouTube channels?
Oh, there are many.
If I say your channel, will you promote me?
MKBHD, TLD, C4E Tech,
Laura Vitali, that's Laura in the kitchen.
Casey Neistat, Vlog Brothers.
I love Voice Avenue, Devin Supertramp.
Boxer shorts.
There is one person goes by the name Vitali TV, and I like his stuff. It's just real fun.
My own genre, it would be MCN, Motorcycle USA, and back home, Autocar India.
Vsauce.
My main inspiration behind whack. The next couple of days got really technical, so this pretty much is the gist of it. Tracks, frames, long shot, mid shot, let's get close, lens, zoom, prime, taking your time, put it down in your body, heart and mind. Dolly, Kino, Halo, Diffuser, Grid and Jello. Boom, shot, record, foley, reverb, feedback, volume, let's get loud. If you had to give me like a few words to describe this entire creator camp, but try and use words that are associated with your channel.
It's unique, it's fun, it's comedy.
It was awesome.
This workshop was full of spice,
A lot of food,
sweet,
a lot of lazy movement.
little tanginess, little spiciness.
Tonally perfect, amazing harmonies, really moody vibe, not an instrumental, pure, like a full-size band.
Let's call it in rhythm.
And it covers the entire thing which should have in one plate.
And then the last couple of days after we got all of this information bombarded at us, boom, all of us had to come, sit down with our groups and our mentors, and this pretty much sums it all up. Ideate, script, shoot, collaborate, bring it together, edit, re-edit, presentation, graduate. If there's one random weird fact that you have to share with my viewers, what would it be?
Hindi is not our national language, but it's our official language.
One fact for all people in relationships.
Okay.
When your wife is talking, be quiet. And when your wife is quiet, don't talk.
So did you guys know that Beatles were originally called Johnny and the Moondogs? So
So if someone yawns and if you touch their tongue, the yawn goes away.
What?
So one crazy fact about Gujaratis is that did you know that we have a term for afternoon sex? We have a term called Baporyu. if you hear in public somebody say chal baporiyu karte, what?
You know exactly what they're talking about. So many amazing things that we got to learn in this creator camp, and I have to tell you that moment when we all sat in the room and watched all our videos, 5 days of many hours spent together, lots of hard work. That moment was like, you know, when your first video goes out and you get your first 10 or 15 likes and you're like, yes, I did it. It pretty much was like that feeling. I hope you've enjoyed all the little pearls of wisdom that all these YouTubers have had to share with you. Till then, like you can see what I've been dealing with for the last 5 days. Till then, like this video, share this video, and subscribe and help increase the tribe. I'll catch you again soon. Bye, 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 bye. Cities are getting denser by the day. They're getting more polluted. And it's high time that our government also starts considering spreading resources equally all over India. Women age slower than men, but they also mature faster when compared to men. In today's day and age, men are probably as emotional as women, but I think they do a much better job at hiding it.